Come test drive the 2023 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac Certified Pre-Owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details.